Hello, classmates. The title of my presentation is Bagging That Job, Interview Etiquette. Imagine having an interview for the perfect job. What are some best practices to use and how will you ensure a successful interview? There are four main practices that will ensure a successful interview. They are shaking hands, dress attire, body language, and asking questions and showing appreciation for the interview. According to themuse.com, when it comes to shaking hands, shake it like you mean it. The proper way is to use the entire hand, extend your arm, and use a firm but not overbearing handshake. Make eye contact while you're shaking hands with the interviewer will show that you are interested in the interview, and smiling will show that you are excited and eager to be there. The second best practice would be dressing for success. Professional attire is important. Using dress pants, a collared shirt, or a skirt are all appropriate. Are your clothes pressed? The best way to ensure your clothes is pressed is taking it to the dry cleaning. Your shoes is also important as far as dressing. Although it is not the first thing that is looked at, your shoes should be polished and cleaned, and they should be dress shoes. Your hair and your face is also one of the first things that the employer will see. Make sure your hair is clean and combed, and use hair product. A third best practice would be body language. Posture. Standing or sitting up straight will ensure that you are showing interest, and slouching may make you seem uninterested. Sitting will say a lot about you as well. Ladies like to cross their legs, which is appropriate, and men tend to sit with their legs apart. Etiquette states that men should sit with their legs closed together, and not seem, which can also make them seem uninterested. According to wisdom.com, body language is an extremely important detail of a proper job interview etiquette. Communication experts tell us that 80% of communication is nonverbal. What to do with your hands? Arms crossed can also make you seem uninterested and bored. Hands should be at your side, but using hand gestures can also be important during an interview. Hands at your lap the entire interview can also make you seem uninterested. A fourth best practice, and finally, asking questions and being appreciative. Ask questions about the culture of and values of the company that you are about to work for, and making sure that it is a fit for you. Always thank the interviewer for their time and shake again their hand and shake it like you mean it. And always have a positive closing by expressing eagerness to become employed at that company, and always follow up if you don't hear back right away. In conclusion, there are four best practices to ensure a successful job interview: shaking hands, proper dress attire, body language, and ask and appreciate. By following simple guidelines, an interview can be successful and help you bag that job.